Jia Chaudhary and I am in 7th in Bharti Public School. My game is about a place where magic and dragons are real, where there was a huge war, and that's why everything is in ruins now. First, in the starting of my game, you get a cutscene, and then you have a choice. You can either take Nico D'Angelo as your avatar or Rachel Elizabeth Dare. Rachel is a fire elementalist, whereas Nico is an ice. So they both are arch enemies. There are 3 levels in my game. The first one is a platformer game, and then you go to the maze level. After the maze level, they both unite with their dragons, and then they meet each other. When they meet each other, their dragons start to fight, and then they battle for the long lost treasure of the place. This is my game.